Did you know that you can open a savings account through online without physically going to the bank and have your card delivered at your home? Yes, you heard it right guys, merong ganon. So if you do not know about this, please stay tuned and watch this content.
Stay high for the most of time. Meet a stranger, jump right in your car.
Hi millennials! Welcome back to my channel again. It's your Millennial Filipina, Xhiia! Kumusta Millennial fam? So wakas, nagpaulan na rin si Lord, pero yung ulan na to ay bagyo. So stay safe pa rin sa inyo and GCQ na tayo starting tomorrow. Pero kahit ganon, mag-iingat pa rin kayo. For those who are new subscribers, thank you for subscribing and welcome to the Millennial fam. Happy Millennial Thinking! Kung napadaan ka lang sa channel ko, I am Xhiia Cardinio, 24 from Pampanga, a public school teacher, a part-time ESL tutor, a vlogger, and I do finance, travel, education, tutorials, and about millennial life. So if you want to know more about millennial life, please feel free to hit the subscribe button and the bell button to keep you more updated sa mga videos ko. For today's video guys, you will learn how to open a savings account through online without physically going to the bank. Lalong-lalo na ngayong ECQ or GCQ or season of pandemic, nasa bahay lang tayo and wala na tayong time para pumunta pa sa bangko para mag-register, para mag-sign up ng savings account. Sa bahay nyo lang guys, na meron kayong internet, makakagawa or makaka-open kayo ng mga savings account nyo and then yung card pwede pang ma-deliver sa bahay ninyo without hassle and without going outside. So, ito na yun guys. Stay tuned. Let's start this video in 3, 2, 1, go. First off guys, ano nga ba yung bangko na nag-o-offer ng online savings account? The name of the bank guys is CIMB Bank Philippines. So, this is a digital online bank. If you're not familiar to this bank, guys, I included some information para mas makilala niyo yung bangko na ito. Remember, this is a digital online bank. So, through online ka lang magpa-process ng mga information and this is an international bank. Disclaimer, I am not a CIMB bank endorser nor affiliated to CIMB. I just want to share an information about you guys. So guys, to learn more about the bank, I included some information here na babasahin ko. So CIMB, guys, is a Malaysian universal bank headquartered in Kuala Lumpur and it is operating in most ASEAN countries. So it is an indigenous ASEAN investment bank and it has a wide retail branch network with 1,080 branches across the regions. Ayan guys, so nasabi natin na online bank yung CIMB and through your cell phones, you can sign up to open a savings account. Paano nga ba? Punta kayo sa store ninyo. Like, if you're using Apple cell phones, you can go to the App Store. Android, you can go to your Android store or Play Store whatsoever. So, just search the CIMB Bank app and then download that. After that, fill out necessary information. Sa CIMB Bank, guys, merong ino-offer yung CIMB ng tatlong account. So, ang una is the Fast Plus account. Second is the App Save account. And the third is the G-Save account. And since ang content natin, guys, is about opening a savings account with a debit card to be delivered at your home, pipili kayo sa tatlo. Ang merong debit card sa tatlo na to ay ang Fast Plus account. So, kung gusto nyo magkaroon ng debit card, you choose the Fast Plus account. So, yan guys, let's learn more about Fast Plus account of CIMB. So, meron siyang mga requirements para makapag-register ka and these are the requirements. Good thing guys, hindi ka kailangan magbayad dito, zero charges and zero annual fees. Pwedeng-pwede siya sa mga estudyante. In just 10 minutes, in just 10 minutes, you can open your account. After you created or opened your savings account, para magkaroon ka ng debit card, you must accumulate 5,000 pesos in your account. So that means, kailangan meron munang pera yung Fast Plus account mo ng total of 5,000. Hindi naman biglaan, hindi naman kailangan na ngayon na. So if nahihirapan ka mag-ipon ng 5,000, you can make it as monthly or as daily, mag-ipon ka ng 5,000. Kapag na-reach mo na yung 5,000, then you can apply a debit card. So, gawin mo, manghiram ka muna ng 5,000 and then lagay mo sa Fast Plus account mo and then apply for a debit card. After that, pwede mo nang i-move and then i-transfer ulit yung pera sa pinanghiraman mo. O, diba? Yun yung hack. Yung debit card, guys, ay Visa debit card. So, you can use this debit card and withdraw monies from over 20,000 ATM machines in the Philippines. Guys, let's unbox, unplastic this CIMB account para makita nyo kung ano nga ba itong nasa loob ng... So, eto na guys. Ayan. So, ayan. Make sure guys, yung address nyo and then cellphone number is correct kapag nag-sign up kayo ng Fast Plus account. Okay, so meron siyang flyers, how to deposit to your account, and then security tips. And then, charan! This is the card already. Nakita nyo na, guys? Ayan. So, kamukha lang siya. Kamukha lang siya ng mga nakukuha nyo kapag nag-open kayo sa BDO, BPI, and any banks dito sa Philippines. Pero ito, less hassle. Talagang sobrang hindi ka ma-stress kasi nasa bahay ka lang. And hindi ka na magpipila pa sa BDO, BPI, and safe ka pa kasi nasa loob ka ng bahay mo. In just 10 minutes, meron ka ng debit card. And maghihintay ka na lang na ma-deliver sa bahay ninyo. Why I decided to open a CIMB account? First thing, it's online and 10 minutes lang makakapag-open ka ng savings account mo. Second, it's no charges, and I mean, no maintaining balance, no initial deposit. So, wala talaga. And then number 3, yung debit card libre and madideliver sa bahay ninyo. And then fourth one, it offers higher interest rate compared to the other banks in the Philippines. And then lastly, you can use the debit card to withdraw your money from the different ATM machines here in the Philippines. Ang hindi ko lang gusto, cons, ay yung digital bank. Syempre, since this is a digital, hindi natin maiiwasan yung mga scammers or hackers. So, extra and super careful na lang guys about your account. Ayan guys, so I hope I added another information about finance to you, and thank you for watching. Stay safe, sane, and strong this quarantine. Bye!